Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use languages within Kajabi. If you're running a site with an international audience or simply prefer working in a different language, this feature makes it easy to customize your entire Kajabi experience to match your needs. First, open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com to access the platform. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in to your account. Click on the login button and enter your credentials to get started. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one and follow the setup process. After logging in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. Here's where we'll make the language changes. Direct your attention to the left navigation panel on your screen. Scroll down toward the bottom of this panel until you see the Settings option. Click on Settings to open up your account configuration page. Now you're in the Settings area, which houses all the essential tools for customizing and managing your Kajabi account. This is your control center for everything from site appearance to payment integrations. From this page, look for the option labeled Site Details. This section contains your core site settings, including the language preferences we're after. Click on Site Details to proceed. Once you're inside Site Details, scroll down through the various options until you locate the section named Language. This is the setting that controls what language your Kajabi interface displays in, affecting everything from navigation menus to system messages. It's particularly useful if you're collaborating with team members who speak different languages or if you're more comfortable navigating in your native tongue. Click on the Language drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available languages that Kajabi supports. Browse through the options and select the language you want your Kajabi account to operate in. Whether it's Spanish, French, German, or another supported language, simply click your preferred choice from the list. After you've made your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. Your Kajabi interface will now reflect the language you've chosen, making it easier to navigate and manage your online courses and content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.